Hey everyone, I'm back with a new DIY project. This morning, while having breakfast, I had a cool idea, combining a cable tensioner with a permanent magnet to make a proper knife sharpening tool. Sounds unusual, right? Let's see how I build it. First, we'll mix a polishing solution for the blade, starting with the first ingredient, WD-40. After pouring a sufficient amount of WD-40 into container, I'll add an equal amount of toothpaste, keeping a 1-to-1 ratio. The WD-40 helps reduce friction and prevents the blade from overheating, while the toothpaste acts as a gentle abrasive to polish and smooth the edge. Combining them creates an effective mixture for a sharp, shiny blade. But we're not stopping there. I'll continue by adding the third ingredient, baking soda. It works as a mild abrasive, helping to enhance the polishing effect and remove fine scratches on the blade. When combined with a mixture, it makes the sharpening process more effective and gives the blade a cleaner finish. That's enough stirring for now. We'll set it aside and move on to building the knife sharpening tool. For this knife sharpening tool step, make sure to watch it all the way through before starting. It can be a bit challenging if you don't have the right tools, and working with mechanical equipment isn't for everyone. Take a moment to consider before giving it a try. You may have seen this trick somewhere before. We'll secure the two metal ends of this cut cable tensioner onto a solid wooden board using a mix of baking soda and super glue. The glue bonds everything together, while the baking soda acts as a filler and instantly hardens the joint, making it much stronger and more durable. It's a simple but very effective combination. Here, I prepared 2 pieces of sandpaper, 240 and 800 grit. I'll attach them firmly to the sharpening tool to serve as the main working surface. The lower grit helps shape and restore the edge, while the higher grit smooths and refines it for a cleaner finish. When sharpening, we'll start with the lower grit and then move up to the higher grit for the best result. We'll attach this magnet to the base of the tool using hot glue. Its purpose is to hold the knife blade securely in place while sharpening, preventing it from slipping. To make this test as realistic as possible, I prepared a dull kitchen knife right here. Let's check it together. And once we're sure, we'll move straight into the real test. You can download an app on your phone to help set the correct sharpening angle. Around 19 to 20 degrees is considered ideal, as it keeps the edge sharp while maintaining durability. A quick tip: don't forget to spray a bit of water while sharpening. It helps reduce heat and clears away debris, giving you a smoother, more consistent result. That wraps up the sharpening step. Now we'll move on to polishing the blade. Amazing! From just a few simple materials and a bit of creativity, we've built a fully functional knife sharpening tool right at home. What started as an unusual idea, combining a cable tensioner with a permanent magnet, has turned into something practical, reliable, and surprisingly effective. The blade is now sharp, smooth, and polished, ready to handle everyday kitchen tasks with ease. What I really like about this project is not just the final result, but the process itself. Step by step, we took common items and gave them a new purpose. It's a reminder that you don't always need expensive tools to create something useful. You just need a bit of patience and the willingness to try. If you've been watching up to this point, I'd say give it a shot yourself. Take your time, follow the steps carefully, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Because sometimes the best part of DIY isn't just what you make, it's how you make it. And who knows, this small project might inspire you to create something even more interesting next time.